How to add random colors to separate objects. Let's start by adding more cubes with array modifier. Add modifier, array, increase number of objects. I'm gonna use 10. Now these cubes are as one object. Later we will separate these cubes. To add a random color we need to use nodes. Only 2 nodes need to random colors, ColorRamp and object info. The ColorRamp node is used for mapping values to colors with the use of a gradient. The object info can be useful to give some variation to a single object. To separate objects, called P on the keyboard. Separate by loose parts. As you can see, we get a random colors. To get more random colors, just need to add another point to the bar or just change the color. Let's add some more variations. Now go to object info and Ctrl D to duplicate object if you want to get more objects. Thank you for watching.